out to the railroad tracks and picked up a bunch of trash. Found a ton of stuff out there. But I think my favorite part of the day was getting to know Jacob a lot better.
I would agree. I just finished base camp with this guy, and it's really nice just to kind of connect and build those relationships.
Did you guys find any trash out there?
We did.
All right.
Got a bunch of bottles. Got some flip-flops, socks.
Came up to Tom Cook Trail, yeah, and we found an air mattress. You want to see it? That's about it. That's about it.
Hey, I found some scrap metal in the areas where they had just gone through with the heavy machinery. The area seems to be pretty clean, but when they go through the heavy machinery, it kicks up a lot of old stuff, so good exploration.
Oh, probably 20 years.
20 years? Who started this thing?
You did the solar.
Oh, the solar.
It's Earth Day. So how do you do the ultimate? And that would be with the solar panel and the inverter, the batteries.
Hi everyone, my name is Autumn Harry. I'm a member of the Pyramid Lake Paiute tribe. I'm also a fly fishing guide out at the lake and a student. And yeah, my mom and I organized River Justice together. It's an Indigenous-led river cleanup initiative, and our whole goal is to ensure that there's clean water coming downstream towards our communities at Pyramid Lake for the protection of the fish species and also our Paiute communities.
Hello, I'm Lindsay. This is Lexi. We're with Reno Food Systems. We've got a 5-acre farm just down the river. And we have floodwater that runs through the farm, down a ditch and right into the Truckee River. So whatever farming practices we do on that property affects the river. So we do erosion control, we have cover crop, we grow sustainably and organically, so no chemical fertilizers or pesticides or herbicides are ending up in our river. That's what we do to protect the river.
Yeah.
Thank you, Riley.
Hi everyone, I'm Autumn.
And my name is Beverly Harry.
And we're here with River Justice. River Justice is an Indigenous-led cleanup effort. We both live on the Pyramid Lake Paiute Reservation, downstream of the Truckee River watershed.
Good morning, my name is Beverly Harry. I am a member of the Navajo Nation, and I live at Pyramid Lake, Nevada. And what we've been doing since 2021 is working with different volunteer groups to clean up the river. There's been a lot of issues with the amount of garbage that we're seeing on the river, and this includes like chemical, industrial waste, e-waste, and solid waste, human waste, and bio waste. And we just want to make sure that we're protecting the lands and the water for downstream Indigenous people, and really looking at how the people up here in the Truckee Meadows are actually impacting their culture. Things like the fish that they eat. It may be the Mahat cutthroat trout, but also the endangered kuyui. So we want to bring attention to that. We've also been working with so many partners throughout the Truckee River watershed, from Lake Tahoe all the way down to Pyramid Lake, and encouraging more partners to show up, so then we're not having to do this important work alone.
Hi everyone, welcome to Mayberry River Cleanup 2024. This is our setup. We're at the park. We've got our truck, our bags, our pickers, our swag nicely displayed. We've got hot dogs and floats. You want to show them There's people all over the campus, behind us, river. Good times.
Hey, I'm Luke. I work in Verdi. We're doing some Truckee River cleanup here. Got some old metal here from the lumber yard. I also found this can. Look at this Coors can. You can barely see the Coors label on there. Pretty old.
What is your organization?
Patagonia.
Okay.
We work for the company. We have river cleanup.
Cool.
This is a historical site. This is trash. This is cleaning. I'm cleaning, I'm helping.
Taking care of Mother Earth.
We're at Crystal Peaks Park. We're taking care of Mother Nature as she protects us. We're gonna clean up the river. We found so many cigarette butts and just tiny little pieces of garbage that you don't realize, but it affects Mother Nature and little birdies around. So pick up after yourself. Yes.
We love Pachamama 2024.
Can I have an ice cream, please? Thank you. Hey, Miles.
Reno, Nevada. And you know what I have noticed? It's a lot of micro trash. And I picked up quite a few of those straw wrappers that you find on the juice boxes or Capri Sun. Because those fly away so quickly. So just, with all the families, best to be mindful of those little plastic wrappers that come on the straw.
It's just nice to recreate outdoors and not see trash everywhere you walk.
Hello everyone, we're out here in nature. We're here at Idlewild Park. We are taking care of Mother Nature, giving back, cleaning up, making her feel safe, how she makes us feel, and giving back to the community.